How to reopen a Cash App account. So here we want to go through this article. To recover your account, first you will need to log out of your current account, but if you have lost access, you will already have been logged out of it. So here we want to select the three dots icon for more settings at the top right corner of your screen, so on Cash App, and then we will choose Get Help Logging In. Afterwards, we will choose how we should look, or how they should look for our account, and complete any of the prompts to confirm and verify our account. Now, if that doesn't work for you and you can't do all of that, then what you can do right here, I'll scroll down. This is the official Cash App website. So you gotta go to cash.app, and here you can either start a chat with Cash App support, or you can call them on this phone number, and these are their working times. So what you will say basically is that you want to reopen your Cash App account, and you can supply them, or you should supply them with your email address or phone number associated with your Cash App account, so they can look you up and further assist you with the issue. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.